refer to it as a big issue. It isn't. What's at issue here are the facts and figures, as borne out by Deputy McCarthy's questions.
Established that's over you. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Well, firstly, at the outset, Mr. O'Brien and Dr. McLaughlin, can I congratulate you, if that's the right word, on both of your appointments and wish you well in your role. I mean, I have found, of all the Public Accounts Committee meetings, the meetings that we've had with the HSE have been very engaging, and we've engaged before with Mr. Crowley, Mr. Woods and Ms. McGuinness. And I do think, while the meeting got off to a rocky start on both sides, I do think we need to, I don't think there's a parliamentary word for chillax, but I think everyone needs to take a step back here and actually try to, because I mean, if you guys come in here and you want to stonewall, that won't work. And if people here want to grandstand, I mean, that's not serving the interests of the taxpayer either. There are a number of issues that have come up which predate both your appointments at this committee in our many meetings with your predecessor, Mr. Berman's Cathal McGee. And we haven't, I suppose, had either satisfactory answers or we really need an update. So I don't really tend to go at all near the area of policy. But